we've got a Porsche 911 992 GTS in from an Akrapovic exhaust. So we're going to change the sound from this to this. So you've heard the revs already, and it sounds pretty weak, doesn't it? In standard form, at least. The car itself is amazing. This has got center locks and it's a manual as well, which is very cool, very special. However, what's going on is an Akrapovic exhaust system to give it a little bit more noise, which it is lacking. And it can't really be blamed because it's got so many filters that it didn't used to have, and it chokes the noise. So the system that is on the bench here is what's going on. And this is a full titanium system. So you've even got some titanium tips that are going to grace the back end, just so the people behind are going to know it's an Akrapovic exhaust that they're hearing. So let's talk about figures. I'm only going to briefly talk about that before we get into the actual video of installing it and sound clips at the end, so hang fire for those. But this saves around 8.5 kilos of weight, which for a Porsche which has all of its weight over the rear axle and right at the back, that's going to make a big difference. More than that, it gives around 14 brake horsepower more, which is a sizable chunk. This system weighs nothing, so I'm surprised it doesn't save more than that, because this, honestly, it's like a paperweight. There's nothing to it. And for those at home, yes, I will wipe the exhaust down. It's not going to have fingertip marks all over it. Don't worry about that. But anyway, I'm going to get Sam onto this now, and we'll do some sound clips at the end so you can hear the difference between standard and after. But I'm excited to hear the difference. Let's see what it sounds like shortly. Exhaust is now installed and both looks and sounds fantastic. With these turbo cars, it's worth noting that obviously when you drive it, that's when you get the full experience rather than just static rev to 3,000. So definitely something to bear in mind. We'll see if we get the opportunity to take it out on the road shortly. But as a whole, fits really nicely. Don't get me wrong, it's very tight. You've got so much going on the back here, mainly for the fact that you've got turbos, whereas a lot of other Porsches you don't. So certainly a tight one. Sam's got a few grazed knuckles, but it's on, and as I said, looks and sounds amazing. So we're pleased with the end result. As I said, you've got a lot of performance benefits, not only losing weight, but with an additional bit of power as well. That was a mouthful, wasn't it? So as a whole, I hope you've enjoyed that video. As I said, you'll see some before and after rev videos shortly. But don't forget to like and subscribe if you get an opportunity. And if you do have any inquiries for Akrapovic or Porsche, then get in touch. But I hope you've enjoyed that, and we'll see you guys soon.